In this video, I will tell you how to fix Dofu stream app keeps closing. So it is easy and simple. So please watch the full video. Let's get started. First of all, go to the settings of your phone and then scroll down here or search for app management option and then tap on app list option. Now tap on search bar and here type Dofu and tap on Dofu stream. Now tap on storage usage option and simply clear cache as well as clear data, and now tap on OK. Now close this app and go to Google Play Store or App Store if you are using iOS or iPad, and here tap on search option and now tap on search bar and here type Dofu and now tap on these text. Now you can see Dofu live, so simply tap on this and here you will see update option, so simply tap on update. This will fix the issue for you. So hope you will like this video. Thanks.